Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Wix app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first. So you just go down, you will find here manage, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You will find here settings, you just click on it. Then you go down, just keep going down, you will find list like this here. Click on member privacy, you just click on it. So then you come here to who can see public member profiles. And here can you select if you want to add anyone or only set members. So if you have it, of course it's going to show for you in this list. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking